Hey, what's up everybody? We just got done filming the rest of the classes for how to get your dealer's license, how to start a rental car company, how to start an exotic rental car company, also how to get your auto body shop license and get up and running, and your auto repair license. We wanted to make sure that we put these online courses up there so everybody has a very good description of what it's going to take from A to Z to get it up and running, and not only get it up and running, but keep it running. Make you start off on the right track. So this way you don't fall pitfalls. So a lot of these guys, they fall out of business, or excuse me, go out of business within a year or two because the foundation they built was extremely weak and they didn't follow certain game plans. So what we're going to put in place that you're going to see through the courses is a very solid game plan, and it's not one of those courses where once you watch it, that's it. It's unlimited emails. We're going to keep in contact with you. We're going to track your progress. We're going to help you as much as we can to get you successful. So go ahead, click on the link below or description, and we'll see you in a little bit.